Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to build a M113 armored personnel carrier that this model that I'm specifically building here is configured to be a mortar carrier. So let us begin. So first you're going to want to take a 12x6 plate. You're going to want to stack these on top of each other. So you're going to take one 12x6, one 10x6, one 8x6. So it's basically creating a step ladder pattern. You take two of these hinge clips like that, with one in the middle. Two of the hinge clips, 2x1 plate in the middle, and 1x2 plate. 2x4 plate here. You attach a 4-long bar like that. And then these are pretty self-explanatory to make. I mean, it's like really easy to make these. I'm trying to speedrun this here because I know I don't have a lot of space on my iPad, which is what I'm filming this on. So I'm sorry, but I'm trying to speedrun this. Mortar is very self-explanatory, and the mortar actually just kind of like goes and sits about there in the completed model. So what you're gonna want to do then? Okay, yeah, I see where I done goofed, which is fine because that actually opens up more space for me to do other stuff. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is the front of the M113 is so simple that words cannot explain it. You're just taking these slopes like this right here, and you're going like this, and you're just piling them on like so until you get to like that. That's literally the front of the M113 for you. That is literally all that I've done. Is that. Now it's gonna be that tall. Those wheels. Better shot of those. Oh, look how sexy those are. Yeah, but anyway, the wheels. Wheels are. Don't slide on me. Stop sliding on me. All right, so the wheels are this piece right here. This piece right here, and then this wheel, which you put one of the things around the tires. And then basically all these go on the bottom here, and I believe you have you have to fit 3 on each side. So I believe they all have 1 stud spacing. I think I'm led to believe that they all have 1 stud spacing. All right, and we got these babies right here, which you can see all the parts. They're quite literally just 4 parts. This could be that could be anything if you want it to be. It could be a 1x1 plate. It could be any color because you won't necessarily see this. I mean, yeah, you're gonna see it, but not if you're really looking over the yeah, you'll see it. But if you're just looking at glancing and stuff, no one's really gonna see it. So it's not that big of a deal. And this goes here. Take exactly the same thing and reverse it for the other side. That. Now I'm just going to put the rest of the wheels on here off camera because it's literally exactly the same thing, just opposite side. And there you go. There's the bottom of it done. At least, and it's, at this point, I'm going to take creative liberties with this being my model. Just go ahead and stick the door on right now, because I don't feel like doing that later. And then what we're going to do is, then we take our pieces, and now we begin to build up. So what we're going to do now is, now that I have these ready to go, we are going to take this, and we're just going to build up what is essentially just a second layer to that. So, because this is going to be about minifig scale. Now these parts are, take two of these things right here. One of them needs to be dark gray to match the model. Other one can be whatever color because it's going to be on the inside. Now, one of them is going to go here. Other one's going to go there. Now this is just a 3-long slope with a red stud on it. Fits like that. And again, same thing for the other side. Just reverse it. And then the door actually folds in between. Just gotta slide it over. Door can be a bit fiddly at times, as in not wanting to align with certain things properly. Alright, now, which is a 4, like that, and an 8, 2 8s, like that, and that just folds, and you just put that on top, like so. Now, to build the, now we're going to build the area where the the commander would sit, basically, is what I'm building now. And so you take 2 of these pieces, and essentially what you're doing is, this is just a